Alam mo ba, may na-discover akong spacious, affordable, and ready for occupancy na house in lot dito sa 13 Martires, Cavite. Dito sa Abia model, you get a provision for 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, and a carport. Plus, it has a laundry service area. Complete finish, meaning move-in ready, walang hassle. Malapit lang sa SM 13 Martires, Pure Gold at Walter Mart. Plus, sa schools and hospitals like New Generation International School and MB Santiago Medical Center are just around the corner. Super convenient para sa family mo. Introducing the Abi model at Masaito Homes sa Barangay de Ocampo, 13 Martires, Cavite. A 2-story single attached na may provision for 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, at carport. Perfect for families who want space and affordability. Dito sa Abi model, may 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath at carport. Semi-complete turnover, meaning you can start living right away. No need for big renovations. Plus, may laundry area pa for your convenience. Worried about the cost? Huwag kang mag-alala. With just 20,000 reservation fee, you can secure your unit. Affordable monthly down payment options available through bank. To own your home, Masaito Homes is located just minutes away from SM 13 Martires, Vista Mall, and Pure Gold, and hospitals are also nearby. Plus, access to major roads is super convenient. Message us now and let's start your journey to home ownership. This is JC Ryan, your real estate agent from Rise and Shine. See you!